because of the issuance of the permit, talagang in-invoke natin na dapat yung preconditions po na nakalagay po doon, yung mga nakagubilin o kondisyon ay dapat na masunod. So, doon po nagkatalo. Kahapon kasi is wala pong permit na na-issue. But we have to observe maximum tolerance. Kanino nakalagay po sa permit na dapat walang nakabalagpag po dyan ng mga yan. So we ask the attention ng mga leaders nila para pumunta mismo doon para sabihan yung mga kasama.
Sir, what are the preconditions that were
I cannot memorize all of it. But dapat may order po. Then panatilihin po yung disiplina, yung sa mga basura, yung parking places, enumerated. We will just give you a copy of the permit. Nang sa ganun ay may ano nyo, one by one.
In terms of yung mga nakabalandra, nakausli, ano yung mga harang at ano yung mga nakasaad doon?
Ang mahalaga pong nakalagay kasi doon is dapat smooth flowing po yung mga traffic sa EDSA at bawal po tumala na. Yun ang
At
panatapatan.
nangako sila?
May pirma po yung mga it is an agreement. Dapat they should advise. The permit that was issued based po doon sa condition po na yun, dapat.
Ano pa po ang purpose ng permit? Kung kahapon wala namang permit, pero napahintulutan din naman sila.
Kahapon po ay walang permit. Basically, pag walang permit, dapat i-disperse po yan. Okay? But seeing the condition kahapon, with our sheer number and with their number, we cannot do that. Ang kahihinatnan lang po ay kaguluhan at saka sugat sa mga physical natin katawan. So, we have observed maximum tolerance. And alam naman po ng leadership po yun. So, nakikita nila yung sitwasyon. And you alone, naging witness naman po kayo na pag gagalawin natin ay hindi po maganda yung kanya. So, we have observed. Sorry.
Nagkaroon po ba ng pagkukunan sa intelligence?
No.
Situation on the day or on the time that they were already here?
We have monitored already that this thing will happen. The only problem is, hindi natin ma-pinpoint yung exact day. But just to say, before the rally, bago sila pumunta rito, nakapag-deploy na tayo. The only problem is, hindi natin in-expect na ganun karami with that time na 3 a.m. po yun. So, definitely there was no failure of it.
Sir, anong advantage nyo na meron nag-blanket white?
Mas maganda po ngayon kasi may rules po na dapat sundan with that permit. At yung mga kapatiran po dito sa baba, alam nilang may permit, i-invoke lang natin na ito yung sinasabi natin. Yun po ang dapat. Kaya sumusunod.
Dumaan sir, kung kumabot sir na magkakaroon ng arestuhan, walang samaan. Kumbaga yung iniwasan nyo kahapon, walang permit, wala pong escalation na mangyayari with that blanket white.
I don't think so na magkakaroon po ng arestuhan ngayon. As you can observe, maayos naman.
Are we expecting this to prolong until Friday? Kasi the original plan daw was this will happen for 4 or 5 days, diba? Something like that until Friday.
I think I am not in the position para i-predict yun. But the
in
permit,
terms of the preparation of the police.
in terms of the preparation police, parang yung trabaho namin, kahit na 10 buwan or isang taon sila natin, we can sustain. Dito po kami sinusweldoan. At least nga, hindi boring yung araw po namin. Araw-araw. As you can see naman, NCRPO is prepared for any gatherings like this. And CDM operations is a part of our life sa NCRPO.
But how about the roads that are supposed to be used by motorists?
You can see, smooth flowing po ngayon yung road. Galing po ba kayo sa parking na town? Makikita nyo po dire-diretso po. Mas maganda po ngayon kasi walang traffic. Yung normal days po, may traffic po pagdating po ng Mega Mall. Pero ngayon, dire-diretso.
Sir, kasi natakot na yung mga tao, hindi sila dumaan.
Yes, it's a part of yan. Nakatulong po yung advisory natin na iwasan po yung EDSA. So, mas magandang mag-travel ngayon sa EDSA kaysa sa Skyway. All I can.
Sir, any personality that we are expecting to come ngayong maghapon sa programa nila?
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko po nasusubaybayan yung programa. What is important is ground management. For me, as the regional director, yun pang sinusubaybayan. Yung sa, hindi ko naman pinakikialaman.